In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to burn spam NFTs in your Phantom wallet. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand why you might want to burn an NFT. Sometimes unsolicited or spam NFTs can clutter your wallet, causing confusion and potentially leading to security concerns. By learning how to remove these unwanted items, you'll keep your wallet clean and more secure. Start by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Whether you're using a mobile or desktop version, the process is quite similar. Once you have the app open, ensure you're logged into your account. You'll need to have access to see and manage your NFTs. Now, upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll see a quick overview of your account, including your balance, the various tokens you hold, and the different features available to you, like the ability to receive, send, swap, or buy tokens. It's a comprehensive dashboard designed to give you easy control over your assets. To proceed with burning an unwanted NFT, navigate to the Collectibles section. This is where all your NFTs are displayed. It's organized neatly, allowing you to effortlessly browse through the digital assets you own. Once you've clicked into Collectibles, take a moment to carefully identify the NFT you wish to remove from your wallet. This step is crucial to ensure you don't accidentally burn something you want to keep. After you've found the specific NFT you want to burn, look for the icon with 3 dots typically positioned next to the NFT. Clicking this will reveal more options related to that NFT. Among these options, you'll see the Burn button. Clicking Burn might seem significant, and that's because it is. Burning an NFT is a permanent action, and once it's done, that item will be removed from your wallet forever. Once you've clicked the Burn button, follow any confirmation prompts to finalize your decision. Confirming this action will ensure that you do, in fact, want this NFT deleted. After you've completed these steps, the unwanted NFT will be gone, effectively freeing up space and decluttering your collectibles list. It's always good practice to regularly manage the contents of your wallet, keeping an eye out for any new unsolicited NFTs that might appear. By repeating this process whenever necessary, you maintain control, ensuring that your documents are kept organized and secure. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage unwanted NFTs in your Phantom wallet. It's all about maintaining the security and organization of your digital assets, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters to you in your crypto journey.